Hi, in today's video I am going to show you how to change password of Instagram account. So for changing password of your Instagram account, what you need to do, just go to your Instagram account. Once you are here on your Instagram account, then here at the bottom right corner you have your profile button. Click on it. Once you click on this profile button, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here at the top right corner you have main menu button. Click on it, then settings and activity page will appear on your screen. Here you have this account center option. Click on it, then account center page will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of password and security in account settings. Click on it. Then password and security page will appear. Here you have change password button. Tap on it. Then here you need to choose that account of which you want to change password. Once you choose your account, then this type of page will appear. Here what you need to do, enter your current password, then enter new password and then re-enter it for confirmation. So this is how you can change Instagram account password. Thanks for watching.